bagong panimula para sa
Hello guys. This is a video of me teaching
Kung
you
nakita mo ba yung maliit na charger?
how to
Ano na kaliit, ma?
do Ollie on second tricks for beginners. So yeah guys, I am in Rubicus because I am using this account right now. Come here bro. So yeah guys, this is my tech deck. I bought it earlier this morning. So yeah guys, I'm gonna tell you how to do Ollie. First one, you wanna three fingers you need. This one, then this one, then the thumb. Actually, you need the right one. I'm using the right one. First one, you wanna put the bad finger, I don't know what it's called, on the tail. Then put the what do you call this? The holes, the four holes on its neck. Then put down the what you call this one, the tail. Put it down, then click push, use the thumb to push up, then just leave it in the air, then do an ollie as you know it, like that, guys. So if you want me to do more tricks, just leave down a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.